Have you played the Chrome Dino game when your internet is down? Today we're going to build this game in Scratch in 3 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make your own Dino game like this one. It's simple, fun, and perfect for beginners. Let's start coding. We're gonna build this game in just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Create a scrolling background. Step 2. Make the trees move. Step 3. Make the dinosaur jump. Step 4. End the game. Let's start by creating a scrolling background. To do this, we're going to use 2 background sprites. These 2 sprites use the same image, but they'll move together side by side. As one background moves off the screen, the other one follows it, creating the illusion of an endless scrolling world. For the first background, when the green flag is clicked, make it show, send it to the back layer, and place it at the center of the screen. Then use a forever loop to move it 10 steps to the left. When it reaches the left edge of the screen, move it back to the right side and let it scroll again. You might notice some gaps when the background scrolls. We'll use the second background sprite to fill in the space. The code is almost the same, so we can simply copy the code from background 1. The only difference is that background 2 starts on the right side of the screen. This way, the 2 backgrounds move together and connect seamlessly, creating a smooth scrolling effect. Next step, let's create some trees and make them move together with the background. These trees will be the obstacles for our dinosaur. When the green flag is clicked, hide the tree, set its size to 80% and move it to the right side of the screen. Then use a forever loop to create a clone of the tree every 1 to 3 seconds. When I start as a clone, pick a random costume and show the tree. Then, use a repeat until loop to make the tree move 10 steps to the left. Once the tree reaches the left side of the screen, delete the clone. Now, let's upload our main character, the dinosaur. First, let's make it run. When the green flag is clicked, go to the starting position. Then, use a forever loop to switch costumes every 0.1 seconds. This creates a smooth running animation. Next, let's make the dinosaur jump. To simulate gravity, we need to create a variable called y speed. When the green flag is clicked, use a forever loop. If the space key is pressed and the dinosaur is on the ground, play a jump sound and set y speed to 25. To make the dinosaur fall naturally, change y speed by -2, then change y by y speed. Finally, to stop the dinosaur from falling through the ground, add a condition. If the y position is lower than the ground, set y to -73. Finally, let's end the game. When the green flag is clicked, use a forever loop. If the dinosaur touches a tree, broadcast a game over message. And when I receive game over, play a crash sound and stop the game. We can also create a game over screen to make the game look complete. First, upload the game over sprite, or you could draw your own. When the green flag is clicked, hide the sprite. When I receive the game over message, make the sprite show. And that's it. You've just created your own Chrome Dinosaur game in Scratch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next game.